Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to NIPS Home School. Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Kamrun, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students of Class 2, today I am going to take your English language class. And now today's topic is Lesson 3 and 5 from, Exercise 3 and 5 from Lesson 2. Let's start our class. So, dear students, this is lecture number 3 and there will be homework and this will be number 3 also, okay? So, lecture 3 and homework number 3 and we will do lesson 2 exercise number 3 and 5 today. Let's start. So, all of you can take your book, Enjoying Grammar book, and you can go to page number 8. Page number 8, okay? Now look, today we will do exercise number 3 and 5 from this lesson. So, what is in exercise number 3? Complete these sentences with the plural forms of the nouns in the brackets. So, there are some nouns in the brackets and you need to make it plural. That means you will fill in the gaps with the plural forms of the nouns which are given in the bracket. Now look, she plucked some apple from the tree. Apple is in the bracket and first one has been done here in your book. So, what is the plural form of the apples? Yes, we all know that it will be apples, right? We will add s to make it plural. Now, number 2, Prem bought 4. Now, look what is given here, toothbrush. So, what is the plural form of the toothbrush? Yes, we all know that if the words ends in sh, we will add es to make it plural. So, Prem bought 4 toothbrushes. sh and we will write here es. So, when the word or when the noun ends in sh, we will add es to make it plural. Now we'll go to now we'll go to number 3. There are 2 tomato in the basket. Now look, tomato. Look at this word tomato. Tomato ends in o. You will find o at the end of the word tomato. So you will add es to make it plural. That means if you find o and at the end of the word and before o, if there is any consonant sound, you will add es to make it plural. So there are 2. At first write tomato and then we will make it plural. We will add es to make it plural. There are 2 tomatoes in the basket. Now we will go to number 4. She carried boxes of cherry to the market. Yes, I know all of you know the plural form of cherry. And what will be the plural form? Yes, you are correct. It will be cherries. We all know that if the word ends in y, we will drop y, and instead of y we will write I and then we will add es, right? Yes, I know all of you know it. So it will be cherries, cherr, and now we will not write y, we will write I and then we will add es. So what is the plural form of cherry? It will be cherries. She carried boxes of cherries to the market. Now we will go to number 5. I filled water in all the glass. I filled water in all the glass. Now look at the word glass. You will find double s at the end of the word glass. And how will you make it plural? Do you know this one? You will just add es to make it plural. So if you find sh, s or double s at the end of the noun, you will add es to make it plural, okay? You will add es to make it plural. And if you find the word having double s, sh or s, okay? Now look, so what will be the answer? It will be glass will be glasses, right? Now we will go to number 6. I gave some milk to the 3 puppy. Just like number 4. If the word, noun word ends with y, we will drop y and we will add ies to make it plural. So let's do it. Puppy will be puppies. Okay. Now look, number 7. The butterfly look beautiful. Butterfly. Just like the previous one, just like the puppy, we will drop y and we will add is to make it plural. So butterfly will be butterflies, right? Yes, I know you are very smart and all of you know it, and we have also done it in our live class, right? So BUTTER butterflies. Now look, we will not write here y. We will not write y, and instead of y we will write here what? We will write here is. Now number 8, he fixed 2 dash on the wall. Now look at the word, shelf. Shelf ends with f, and we know that if the word ends with f or fe, we will drop f or fe and then we will add ves, right? Yes, so it will be shel, and now we will drop f and we will write here ves. Okay, so now look, number 1, she plucked some apples from the tree. Number 2, Prem bought 4 toothbrushes. Number 3, there are 2 tomatoes in the basket. Number 4, she carried boxes of cherries to the market. Number 5, I filled water in all the glasses. Number 6, I gave some milk to the 3 puppies. Number 7, the butterflies look beautiful. Number 8, he fixed 2 shelves on the wall. Now we will go to our next exercise, exercise number 5. So we will do 3 and 5, and 5 will be your HW, okay? HW number 3 will be your 5W, and you will write the answer only, okay? So now look, what is the instruction here? Change the nouns in color to singular, to their singular or plural noun. So it is photocopied one, there's no color, so I underline the word for your help, okay? So now look, you will change those words, okay? If the word is given in the singular form, you will make it plural, and if the word given in the plural form, you will make it singular. Now look at the first sentence, the thief put the jewels in the sack. So look at the word thief. The thief is in the singular form, and thief, the word, the noun ends with f. So what will be the plural form? Now look, thieves, thieves. That means you will drop f and you will add ves to make it plural. So you will make it plural. Thief, thieves. Now go to next one. The kittens ran towards the gate. The kittens ran towards the gate. The kittens, that means the young cat, and kittens is in the plural form. So now we will make it the singular form of kittens. So what will be the answer? Yes, you will just drop s. Kitten. So singular form of kittens is kitten. Now number 3, the bird flew towards the food. The bird flew towards the food. The bird is in singular form, right? So what is the plural form? Yes, all of you know it, right? It will be birds. The birds flew towards the food. We will just add s. Now number 4, the brushes were used to scrub the floor. Now look at the word brushes, B-R-U-S-H-E-S. So after sh there is es, that means it is the plural form. So now we need to write the singular form of the brushes. So how will you do it? Yes, you will just drop es. That means you will not write es. So it will be brush, right? Brushes will be brush. Now number 5, the schools in the city are closed. The schools in the city are closed. So city, now look at the word city. The word ends in y. That means you will make it plural by adding, at first you will drop y and then you will add ies. So city is in the singular form and now you will make it plural. So city will be cities. C-I-T-I-E-S, cities. Now number 7, the children played with the cups. The children played with the cups. Now look, C-A-L-V-E-S. V-E-S. Now look, it ends with V-E-S. That means it is in the plural form and we will make it singular. And what will be the singular form? Yes, it will be cup. That means C-A-L-F, right? CALF, just like the first one. That means it is in the singular form and you make it plural, like thief, thieves, and now plural form is given here and you will make it singular, so it will be calf. That means the young cow. Now we will go to number 7, put the toys in the box. So box, so if the word or the noun ends in X, we will add es, so it will be boxes. You have done it before, so we know box will be boxes. The plural form of box is boxes. So if the word ends with sh, like sh or s or double s or x, how will you change it? You will just add es to make it plural. Okay, so all of you will add es to make it plural if the word ends with sh, s, double s or x. So dear students, you will do it, exercise number 5, as your homework. You will just write the answer. Okay, you will just give the number 1, 2, 3, 4 and you will just write the answer. This is your homework number 3, lesson 2, exercise number 5. Only answer. That means there will be 7 words actually. You will just write the answer. You don't need to pick up the full sentence. Okay. So dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood about today's topic. All of you will do your homework regularly and submit it on every Saturday in the school campus. All of you will stay safe and listen to your parents. See you again. Allah Hafiz.